Alright, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still starting our text to SQL or SQL module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, basically, we're still just building our project. We took some more notes, and we added some more codes to some more files. So let's take it from the top and see exactly what we went over. Now that it is done, the last thing we did was implement our Google API key. So now that that is done, we are done with our requirements. Now we'll get back to the implementation. The first thing we'll do is take a database like SQLite and insert some records. We will do this to show that there are some records to attain. There is a database so that we may query from that particular database. For this, what we are going to do is create a new file. This will be a SQL.py file. In this file, we will write the code that will allow us to insert any records into the database. The first thing we were going to do is import SQLite 3, which is a light-weighted database. This is how we're going to do that. You can see we have to import SQL 3. This is our file here, SQLite py. So you can see here we have our import. I'm going to just show you the rest of the code while we're here anyway. So you see we have our import. Then we have our code that we're starting to build here. This is going to help us to connect to the SQLite database. We have connection equals SQLite3.connect. It's going to take as a parameter the name of our database, which is going to be student.db. Then we're going to create our cursor object to insert records or create tables inside of our database. This is going to be cursor equals connection.cursor. And this is the table that we're going to create inside of our database. So you have a table info. It's going to be a create table. Student is going to be our main variable. That's parameter. We're going to have a name with a varchar, which means this name field here is going to be able to take any character. This class field is going to be able to take any character, and this section field is going to be able to take any character inside of our table info table here. So basically, that's what we did. You already know we have the environment file here, which we're probably not going to be using, like I said, because we're going to use a Google Colab, so we won't need the environment. But I'm just going through it for the knowledge of it and experience of it. So we have our Google API key stored here. Then we have our requirements, which holds everything that we need to import and install for our project. So basically, that's everything here. And we have our walkthrough file where we take all the notes along with the code as we walk through everything. So this is where we left off last night. And you can see here we did a lot more tonight. And yeah, so that's what we had so far. So yeah, we're going to keep moving forward. We're going to keep building this project. And like I said, I'm not going to be using the environment or the Jupyter notebook. I'm most likely just going to transfer everything over to the Google Colab notebook again and just run everything through the Streamlit. So yeah, we're going to keep building and we're going to keep moving forward. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.